Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Rosebot in your Telegram. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing, obviously you have to tap into the app itself. Let's tap the Telegram app over here, and here you can see a chat base. Let's go to this contact page, which is at the left bottom corner. Let's tap in there. And here you can search at the very top. You can see a search bar. Let's tap in there, and let's type in Rose. But so I guess this is the very top. This is the one. So it says start. So it says, what can this bot do? Hey, I'm a Rose, a group management bot here to help. So all you have to do is tap in the start button. Let's tap in there. And it says, I'm here to help you manage group, join menu. So let's tap in add me to your chat. And you can choose any of your group or channel to add. So yeah, let's choose this one right here. And it's asking for the access to be admin. So this is all like on and remain anonymous and new admin. So this is perfectly fine. Let's not touch any of it. So all we have to do is tap in that add bot as admin. Tap in there, and it's asking again, do you want to add the bot as an admin in HeyChat? It will have access to the list of anonymous admins. Yes, add as admin, and let's check. So this is how you add Rosebot to your any channel group. So this can help you with many things. So it says, welcome to Rose. Check out the help for more information on how best to protect your groups. So this is how you add Rosebot. I hope this video was helpful. If there's any queries, please drop a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.